In this video, I will show you how you can create a simple user interface for your Android app in Android Studio. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open Android Studio and click on Start your new Android project. And you will see a bunch of activity screens. Each and every task screen has an activity screen. In Android Studio there are a bunch of activity screens, so you can select it from among them. In this case I will select empty activity and click on next. Then you will be asked to give the application a name, give your app a name. In this case I will give the app name first app, and the package name can be your domain name. In this case I will use the studentcircle.com. You can, if you don't own a domain, you can give anything. The package name should be unique. If you don't own a domain, you can use yourname.com. So there is the location and language. There are two languages available in Android Studio, Java and Kotlin. In this case I will use Java. And if you choose the minimum API level, it will run on maximum number of devices, but if you choose the maximum API level, it will run only on that particular API, but it will have more features. So in this case I will select Android 6 and click on finish. As soon as you click on finish, it will sync all the Gradle files, and it will sync all the files and create the IDE for you. As you can see, it is syncing, so wait for some time till the sync process is over and it will show you the files. So as you can see, first app synced successfully, and this is the IDE, the main activity.java and activity main.xml. So activity main.xml is the XML file which is the design file. Whatever you do, what changes do you make in the design file, it will get updated in the text file. And Java file, main activity.java, is the behavior file. You can code in Java to make the design work according to your own wish. For example, if you place a button here, you can change the button working, and using this in activity main.xml you can change the view, whether you want to see the design or blueprint only, or design plus blueprint. You can also change the device. You can change the orientation to see how your app works on different devices and on different orientations. As you can see, there is a text view named hello world here. You can zoom in, you can change the device if it is installed in Android Studio. So this is the project file. If you click on project, it will automatically hide itself, so you have a better IDE view. You can also get the project menu here, and if you click on Android you will get only this project menu. And under the resolution file you have the layout folder. Under the folder you have this activity main XML, which is the design folder, and which is the design file or the layout file. So if you want to change the text, double click on the text and you will see this is a text view option, and you can assign the text view an ID which you want to use as a variable in the later part while coding. Let's give this ID text message, and layout width you can give match constraint. You can change the size, it is 0 dp here. So but layout height should be wrap content, and don't change other settings here. So you can change the text here. So let me change the text. Let's write here, don't tap the button. So as you can see here, the text here has been changed. So you can use the constraint widget to position your text accordingly. You can drag and drop. Then there are many options. You can change the text font here. There are many preloaded fonts and you can change the text font from here. You can even change the text color. You can change the text size as well. You can change the text color, text size, font family, and basically everything. Text alignment, and also the whether you want to make the text appear as bold, italic, and whether the text alignment is vertical or not. So as you can see, it is pink in color or reddish pink in color, and the font is also changed. So this is how you can control the text. You can change the text font, you can change the text color, you can change the text alignment on how to appear it on screen, and you can visualize how it will look, how the app interface will look. You can zoom in and zoom out to see how it looks. Then you can drag and drop a button. As you can see, as you have dragged and dropped a button on the screen on the preview layer, it will show you a marker. Whether you are in the middle of the screen or on the right side or left side, it will show you the alignment automatically. So as you can see, I have dragged and dropped this button, and this is how it looks here. So you can drag and drop. Now if you want to change the size of the button, if you drag right or drag left, it will not increase or not decrease. So layout width should be match parent, but the layout height should be match constraint. You can increase the size from the layout width, and here is the button ID. To increase it, you can use the constraint widget to increase the size of the button. Full screen in the meaning horizontally full screen. So you can just give here 0 dp on the left side, and you can assign 0 dp on the right side to make it appear like this. Then there are various options. You can set on click listener here. You can change the background and also the text here. So let's keep the text as tap me here. Then you can change the font, change the text color, change the font, make it appear bold or italic. As you can see, the text font has been changed. Let's change the color here. Let it appear as green, light green. As you can see, as we have changed the color, the text color has been changed. Let it appear as bold. Now go to the text folder and go to the text view, and you can see the changes you have made in the text in the design in the preview layer. It has been also updated in the text coding. All the settings have been automatically changed in the text coding part. It has automatically coded this for you. All the changes you made in the layout file has preview file or preview something, whatever you call it, has been changed and updated in the text. So you have added a button here. It has been also updated in the text, as you can see it here. So this is how it works. So this was all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and subscribe my channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.